Beautiful Ethiopia.
Family, look from where we came.
Eye of the needle.
Yeah.
It's very good. You get that, Bowman? This is the symbol of the eye of the
Looking
needle.
here. So this part is a symbolic of the eye of the needle. Because Jesus said for the rich people, the rich man can't visit heaven, the easier than pass the camel, the eye of the needle.
So is this the eye of the needle?
Yes.
Yeah.
The eye of the needle. Okay.
That's interesting.
The eye of the needle, folks.
Is there another way around?
This is the way exit we are going
Yeah, but this is the eye
outside.
and the needle. I'm a camel. I don't know.
This is the needle.
Pass me, y'all. Yep, you passed through the eye of the needle. Watch your step.
Skinny fitness test.
This is definitely not for unless they're crazy athletic.
I had someone on my trip who walked with me,
Oh my, they do all this?
and I just had to stay back with them, and we just did everything real slow, and they only saw a fraction of the stuff.
That's one thing I keep saying, okay, whoever you market this kind of torture.
Yeah, it's like almost a
have to be
fitness
physically-
challenge.
They have to be fit,
Yeah. Yeah,
or not have knee and
yeah, none of that.
walking challenge, arm challenge.
Height, scared of heights, or
Yeah, or heights, scary of heights.
Or dark tunnels.
or what?
Or dark tunnels.
Okay.
Watch your head.
That made me feel like I was. Oh shit!
Hello.
Hello, hello. We don't know where we're going.
Ah, they went up. See, I would have gone down. I'm glad.
Come on up.
I'm glad. I would have gone down.
Beautiful.
Oh, stay right there. Stay right there. Look up. Just look up. And then look to the right.
Russell,
Then to the right.
Got you sneaking up over here.
Nice for a moment. In your nice green dress.
Dasu, Dasu.
We don't have to exchange numbers. So.
Ooh. You're a filmmaker and a photographer. ሁልጊዜ በኋላ ያሉትን መሰብሰባቸውን ያየን ነው ነው እኔ እኮ እንደዚህ ቦክ አድርጌ መጣሁ። እንትን የቀደሙት ችግር አለው አለው ግን እንዲህ መግቢያ ስላለ ወደ ሌላ የምንሄድ ነገር ከኋላ የቀደሙት መጣፍ አይፈልጉም።
This proves that that's where it came from.
እኔም ደግሞ እኮ ብዙም ዞሬ ስለማይሆን ሶስቴ መጥቻለሁ ግን ፍትፍት አድርጌ አላውቅም።
So amazing.
Okay, so look, this church, the name of this church is Abba Livanos or Father Livanos. Abba means father. So this church is unique for other churches. We have seen many churches. Some of the church semi-monolithic, only one face church, and the other monolithic church. But this is Rock-hewn cave church. It looks like natural cave. And some writers believe that this church is It looks like African Petra in Jordan. African Petra in Jordan. And the church scholars believe that. And the roof of the church is symbolic of replica or Ark of Covenant. And the body of the church is symbolic of priest, when the priest supports the throne of Jesus Christ. And also inside the church is found the Ark of Mescal Kebra. Mescal Kebra means the wife of King Lalibela. King Lalibela, he was a priest, also get married with Mescal Kebra. They had one son, his name is Yitbarak, the last king of the Zagwe dynasty. Yitbarak was ruled 17 years, 17. Also, he was defeated by Emperor Economlak. Also, the dynasty was expanded from north to south part of Ethiopia. South part. And partial of the church just new. That's new. And this is original. Look, the windows. There is Greek cross. Because when you see Greek cross, horizontal line and vertical line is equal. Latin cross, the horizontal line short, the vertical line is long. Greek cross equal size. Equal size. Okay. And
Salah. How are you? Where are you from?
If there's anything interesting, I'll tell you.